What's going on, world? What's going on, world? NZD here, and I want to come on here and shoot a quick video, and we're going to talk about crypto, and should we sell Bitcoins, or should we continue to hodl our Bitcoins and continue to hodl our altcoins and our cryptos, you know? Because what it is right now is like the market is in like a downtrend right now, so we kind of in a bear trend, because as we can see over the last few days, it's continuing to dip a little bit and dip a little bit, go up, dip a little bit. So it's like right now it's like in the 46,005 range up to about say 48.8, 49.1, about that price. But it's continuing to say, like a lot of the analysts are saying, is it's continuing to have a lot of lower lows and lower highs, which is not really good, because they're saying that's going to be like more of a break, more like of a bear trend. So what we're trying to do right now is to figure out the market. I'm not trying to go into any trades right now. I'm trying to just watch the market, hold it out, because a lot of the big professionals and stuff like that, what they're saying is, I guess the futures market, the third Fridays or whatever of the quarter, it's usually like a futures market. That's when all the futures and options expire, and that can also have an effect on the market. So I'm holding off on any trades right now, but what I am doing, I am still doing dollar cost averaging, you know, grabbing up Satoshis here and there, looking at some altcoins. And what I did while it was up, while Bitcoin was up and Ethereum was up, I did take some profit off of Bitcoin and move it to some stablecoin and had it over there in a stablecoin. And then when the market begins to dump, there's certain projects out there that I really like, that give a lot of value to the industry, that will give you a lot of value to the world as a whole. So I started to look at them because they started to drop, and what I did was basically grabbed up some more of those projects, some more of those altcoins. And now that the market is kind of like stabilizing in a way, it's not dipping that much, they're starting to come back up because they have a lot of value in the market. And I'm gonna do another video on some of those that I like, some of the altcoins that I'm buying right now during the dip, as well as my strategies to still dollar cost average, even though Bitcoin is dipping. I'm still gonna dollar cost average because, you know, the all-time high was up to like what, 68,000, like that. So I am still grabbing up some more Satoshis, and I keep saying Satoshis because I'm not buying a whole Bitcoin, I'm buying portions of Satoshi. So right now, for example, Bitcoin, a whole Bitcoin is about 48,900. So let's go with 49,000. 100,000 Satoshis will bring you to about $49. So you can buy 100,000 Satoshis for $49. You can get that on Cash App or Coinbase or Crypto.com, a variety of different exchanges. But getting back to the market and how the market is looking is, with a lot of people out there doing research and stuff like that, they tend to find out that a lot of the big whales is buying. Even though the market is dipping, a lot of big whale is buying. And I can see a reason for that, because when the market originally dumped, a couple whales dumped their wallet. Well, actually like one whale dumped their wallet real big, significant, like sold off a lot of Bitcoin. So what that did was liquidate a lot of people that's in the leveraging market, you know, because a lot of people was excited, the market was going up, so you had a lot of people was doing a lot of leveraging. So basically, to me, my opinion is like, the whale was like, man, all right, you guys thinking it's gonna be continue to go like this, and y'all leveraging all that money and trying to put big bets on it going to increase and putting on big longs and stuff like that. So once he dumped his or hers, whoever that was, the entity, once they dumped theirs, the market sold off. And so you got a lot of people who were in big trades, they got liquidated. I think some of my trades got liquidated because the wick went down to like 42,000, some crazy amount, and my I think my thing was like at 49 or something like that when it was in the 50s. But I'll get into some more trading about that later on. But it dipped down, so a lot of people got liquidated, a lot of money got lost, millions of dollars got lost with that because people was leveraging. So now what you have going on now is, from my opinion, is a lot of the whales are accumulating again since it dropped, what, almost big percent, almost 20%, I think, 15-20%. So it went from like about 58 and change all the way down to like 44 or something like that, $46,000. A lot of people got liquidated. So now you got whales is picking it up at the dip. You got a lot of whales picking it up, as well as a lot of retailers is also picking up Bitcoins. So it seemed like, you know, it's still dipping and stuff like that. A lot of the analysts, a lot of the technical analysts are saying that it might go down to about 42, 43, you know, the lower 41s and stuff like that. So we just basically watching it, watch what it's gonna do. Watching the market, not taking too much trades right now. I was thinking about doing some shorts, but nah, I'm not going to short in this market. Like, 'cause I'm just learning the trading thing, so I'm not going to do too much short. Like, I do short when I can really see, like the other day, like if the dump was like in like a certain trend, I would have took some shorting, but it was just like an automatic. It just went. So it didn't do it like doom like no steps. If it was doing like that, then I would have probably took a short. But it's just a lot of things to learn in this. Big ways of earning a lot of things in this industry. But like I said, grab them Satoshis while it's at the dip, because it's basically still in the bull cycle. It's still in the bull cycle, but there's just bear trends going on. And you got a lot of the whales is picking up during the bear trend. You got a lot of retailers is coming in picking up during the bear trend. And even if it like the analysis, like even if it dipped back down to 30, you can also bank on hodling. You can hodl for the next 2-3 years or so, and knowing that it's gonna go back to up to 69, probably even more. So once again, it's AZD. Hope you got some value out of this. Right now, I am not selling my Bitcoins. I am not selling my Ethereum. I am not selling my Polkadot, my Cardano. I'm just still hodling and swing trading some of it, because some of them still accumulate. Like Ethereum is still growing, so you know you can swing trade on that. You can spot trade on it. Spot trading, what I've learned is spot trading is like, say it's at $4 grand, you buy up a fraction of it at that $4 grand price, and if it goes up to about 44, 45, then you sell off a portion of that fraction and profit that, and then keep it in there to see if it's gonna go up, and just watch it. Like, it's just a wide variety of things that's learning, and they saying that the big industry is starting to get into it, big money starting to get into it. So you never know what's gonna happen. You know, inflation is gonna continue. They said inflation probably won't get adjusted for another quarter or so. So we're gonna continue to see inflation. Gas price going up, grocery price going up. I'm about to go in the grocery right now before everybody else get here to grab some stuff, because it seems like these grocery stores, once they stock up, they just be going fast, and they're not even stocking up like that. So once again, it's AZD. Hope you got some value out of this. See you later. Continue to be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.